Hi, I'm Trini Cooking with Natasha, and this year I want to surprise my friends and family with a delicious dessert for the holidays. I invite you to add a touch of ocean spray to your Christmas this year with this incredible recipe. Start by combining all of your dry ingredients and set aside. Next, add butter, Crisco, and sugar and cream until light and fluffy. Beat in your eggs. Then add in vanilla, Craisins Original Dried Cranberries, oats, your dried mixture, and mix until it comes together. Scoop onto a lined cookie tray, pressing slightly. Then these bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While that's baking, let's make a delicious sangria. To a pitcher, add ocean spray juice cocktail, sorrel juice, absolute vodka, which is an absolute must, simple syrup, vanilla, cinnamon, star anise, clove, and fresh fruits. Mix well and serve using some of those fresh fruits. Now it's time to enjoy your sangria with these delicious cookies. And remember to add a touch of ocean spray to your Christmas this year.